created our story from ChatGPT. ChatGPT also gave us keywords, right? What does keywords mean? Keywords are words that are needed to list your book so that they can rank when the right audience are looking for your book. So, for example, we're creating a book on the story of Adam and Eve, if you remember in my last class, and we need to put the right keywords. I'm looking for a storybook that is talking about the Bible, right? And talking about Adam and Eve. If I type Adam and Eve on Amazon, Amazon should be able to, rank up my book among the list of books that I would see. So these keywords are very important. And right now, I'm just teaching you a minimalistic way with zero expenses and learn. Like, I feel like when you learn from scratch, it's so easy for you to find shortcuts to do things your own way because you know the basic. Okay. There are other ways to find keywords. People use Amazon KDP extensions where they attach it to their Google Chrome to make more books. You can now begin to spend money to place ads or subscribe to keywords that can help rank your book on Amazon.